Hey, welcome to the last beginner tutorial on CSS. In this tutorial we are going to be going over the difference between padding and margin. This is a very important concept to understand when you're dealing with CSS. When I first started it, I did get a few times I would get confused between what the difference between padding and margin is. But after this tutorial you will understand it. Alright, so let's click on the P2 text class and let's go to block. Actually go to box, and here we're going to see a few options. We're going to see width and height and float and clear, but what we're interested in for right now is padding and margin. So let's give it a padding of 10 pixels and a margin of 10 pixels. And we're also going to give it black background color and a white color. So just in case you didn't catch that, click on background, change the background color to black, and then click on type and then change the color to white, and then click apply. Alright, so I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to edit undo so you guys can see the difference here. I'm going to edit undo, and then I'm going to redo. And what you'll notice is that it scoots over to the left 10 pixels, and it also adds some space right here. So what is happening is there's a margin of 10, and the margin is this white space right here. And then there's the padding, and the padding is actually what's inside the paragraph. It has nothing to do with what's going on outside of the paragraph. So to show you that, I'm going to change the padding to 20. And click down here and you can see that inside it crushed everything in a little bit more. And now I'm going to change the padding, which is going to affect the positioning on the outside. I'm going to change it to 20. There we go. You can see it moved over even more. And so basically the difference between the margin and the padding is you think of margin as being outside of the paragraph, and you think of padding as being inside. And hopefully that makes sense to all of you. If not, make sure to leave some comments. If you have any questions about the beginner CSS, feel free to ask, and hopefully I can answer it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the beginner tutorial, and I will now be doing some advanced tutorials, and you can follow those too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.